Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech to help you make informed choices. Today, we're looking at the Rytuqo remote control, designed for a wide range of streaming devices. Including Superbox models S1 through S6, Octastream Q1, Elite 2, Max IV, Elite Max, and Megabox. This remote promises universal compatibility, making it a versatile solution if you own multiple devices from the Superbox lineup or related streaming units. Right out of the box, setup is straightforward. There's no programming required. Just insert two AAA batteries, and it's ready to go. The remote features infrared connectivity and a transmission range of 15 to 30 feet, allowing you to control your device smoothly from across the room. Rytuqo emphasizes responsive performance with minimal lag, so whether you're navigating menus, streaming content, or adjusting settings, commands are executed quickly and efficiently. The build quality is also worth noting. Constructed with ABS plastic and silicone, the remote feels durable yet comfortable in hand. The keys are soft and sensitive, providing a tactile experience that enhances ease of use. Unlike some remotes that feel cheap or clunky, this one balances sturdiness with ergonomic design. Functionally, it's designed for convenience. Its universal compatibility ensures that one remote can handle multiple device models, reducing clutter and simplifying your entertainment setup. By maintaining a clear line of sight to the device sensor, the remote delivers consistent control without interruption, which is especially useful in larger rooms or living spaces. Overall, the Rytuqo remote control positions itself as a reliable, easy-to-use option for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their Superbox or compatible streaming device remote. With its combination of wide device support, responsive performance, and durable design, it's an efficient tool for keeping your entertainment experience seamless and hassle-free. This has been Product Critique, breaking down the essentials so you know exactly what to expect before buying.